Chapter 94. Do not worship Satan, but worship God through art, pictures, names, words and sounds. In appreciation of the Creator of nature. Real art is knowledge of the most valuable sense of expression, expressed for psychological and positive reasons, using natural means, with spiritual skills, to penetrate the hearts, and nourish the idea of humanity, peace and prosperity in the souls. It may not be other than real emotions, sincerely organizing the combinations of paints, words, sounds and other materials, generating ideas for the conscious, and feelings for the souls. All creatures, or pictures, made by God, are alive, with body, spirit, and soul. But none among them is word-conscious, except mankind. And all written words are pictures. And all pictures are sounds, names. So, the only distinction of mankind is picture-making, with various mediums, and picture-reading, with or without sounds, to communicate information, brain to brain, and heart to heart. So, artists, due to the aesthetic sense, and the sense of appreciation, must express themselves in picture-making, under heavenly limits, to appreciate the Creator of the universe, and to express deep feelings about creations as a work of art, and as an act of worship. The best form of sounds is music, and the best form of words is poetry, and the best way to communicate is singing, and the best form of a name is an impressive and expressive picture. And the best picture is the picture of the self seen in nature, as a word of appreciation and humanity, to let the others feel what one's heart feels. Servants of Satan are devils, not artists. The artists, who make idols, decorate graves, burial chambers, and places, and make pictures and things for the worshippers of the persons, who are considered equal to God, or helpers of God, or saviors other than God, or who make demigods, or gods other than God of the people, will be in hell, and will be considered as the killers of the messengers of one alone, absolute and unseen God, on the day of judgment. because their act ruins the message of God and the efforts of the messengers of God, and the true teachings concerning the commandments of God. And they called people to Satan, or to other than God, through their skill and art, and all others who make images, or pictures or statues, or photographs or music, or films or fashion designs, or products concerning evil-based, satanic ideas, to reject the commandments of God, will be declared the enemies of God. Such lusty devil lovers will be in hell with Satan. The artists who appreciate God through their art, or make illustrations for the sake of knowledge and to promote humanity, and who honor God and follow the commandments of God and serve God only, will enter in the evergreen gardens to see the beauty of the great and grand art of the supreme artist, God, their Lord.